then it suddenly turned okay. Anyways, welcome. My favorite humanoids and clever bunnies. So, it's another day, another dollar, another day short, whatever. We are playing this utmost fun little tank. I bet it's got even more fun when I got all the go fast tracks and proper engine and shit. So what are we up to today? Yeah, of course my IDE and custom firmware and doing it to React Vita style, so things can be done, how do you say, it would look like pretty much like VS Code, Android Studio, and the others, and the other very nice software just like mine. So we got what do we got? We got firmware analysis, firmware injection if you need some extra oomph for your something. Oh my god, look at this. This is getting ridiculous. That's what he got actually, man. Yeah. Looks great. All net based. Of course, we got Flask, REST, React, and with oh my god, something like that. So uber scalable, and I can take a lot of what should we call it, clients, possible clients. Anyway, I don't think software is. Oh. Oh, god damn it. Aye. That was seconds away. So, what shall we choose? Should we choose this one? Well, for leveling we need to, huh? What is, or do we? Let's take this one. Need to have that shit scouted before. We will go south, just like my life. But I can't blame drinking anymore. No, I'm just idiot. Do we see anything? No. My green body is there. Oh, what's happening here? Why? There's so many questions today. Everybody is getting Ketovat without, I can't see shit. There's nothing red, nowhere. What the? Get. Daddy is getting Daddy is getting a little bit afraid. There you were. Yes, goddammit, we need to cut over shit there. Is that okay with one? Yes, of course we're gonna attack them. What do you think? If we can get a little bit closer without getting cut over. Well, it has gone. It is. I have economical equilibrium, I think. And please don't. Come on, come on. What do I got? I got. Oh, there's nothing much left. Oh my God! There was a. Oh my God! There, it's like a hornet's nest down there. Be able to win. Nice. Nice. Okay. Where is that cunt? Mad Mo. Mo to Schmo. Let's go and try to outflank them here. There's a corpse here. That's a shit. But I thought I saw. We need to go and protect our little green man here. He's flying. You can do it. Run, Forrest. Someone hit 3. There's shots fired. Why all this murder and mayhem? Missed. So let's have a sparkling water here from Harpro. It's very important for us sports athletes, us athletes, to keep hydrated. Pure water, of course, with citrus. You can feel the sportsmanship here. So we got a little bit of we got improved parts, and we got people. Rank doesn't matter, yada yada. Best squad. So we need definitely, what do we need here? This T-34, it's got that. I'm not entirely sure I want that armor to begin with, but it needs to be leveled. It's a go slow approach. We will take that. We don't really care about the horizontal drive, do we? It doesn't give us the it does not give us the necessary oomph, so we will go for speed. We will take that last or something. So what do we choose today? We choose to press start battle and take one of our favorite bonbons. It's difficult being sober. Oh my god. So many calories. Well, not as many as a beer though. Ah no! This one, yeah. What's the time? 29:49. Which gives me... We are to the beach. Schnell, schnell. It is bring your own tent day. We need that grab. Or shall we? No, we don't. We will race past it. Definitely cannot handle water. This I look at the waves. Good for surf. That's for sure some nice graphics. Oh, don't get my tracks wet. So we need to be sneaky bastards here. Ooh, and we are very slow at. Let's see if we can see something. Oh, he got over. Hey, god damn it! Crow Viper Venom. Am I on a US server now? Killer that guy. Okay, okay. God damn it. I love that tank. I loved it like it was my first tank. Okay, let's recover fast from that failure. Because if we can't do that, we cannot play this game. Go! It's raining, the men are miserable. Can we see something? Yes, we can. Can we take some pot shots? Yes, definitely can. Oh, it's a KV and I'm stuck. Oh my god. We need to get into security here. He can see me. Something can see me. I'm getting shot at. Mummy. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Ah, that was critical error. Where are you shot from? Over there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got that poor bastard's pretty good. Oh, look at that. Oh, damn it, come on. That was... That's how you get treated if you poke your nose too far out, man. Fantastic, fantastic little tank. Now there's a bomber coming here. That guy. We need to take this. We need to replenish ammo. Deflection. I think 4. We need 4. And there was a little bastard here. Let's go and take that shit. And the crosshair. Oh my god. can't take that one. Need a bow. He's coming. Oh my god. What happened? What happened here? He's like, he's gonna surprise me, huh? He's gonna say, I can hear something. I can hear rattling of chains. Uh-huh. cunt. Where should I go? Ай! Cunt. Well, it was a good game. Oh, did I get anything? Camouflage. Yes, that is super fantastic. I got bicolored desert. You weren't there, man. We got that. We have go fast shoes. What do we need? I think. Do we need? Oh. Yeah. Let's take that instead. So, what is the time? Since it's already morning, 2200 hours. For you, America, it's military time. Oh, I need my coffee. Oh, it's damn cold. Yes, looks like a new map. And we're gonna take this one again. One day we are. Oh, this map. Yeah, Katova. We can shoot across the map here, that's for sure. And luckily, I'm no taller than a grasshopper. But how far we can jump? Yeah, that looks good. And the next jump. Yeah. Not too shabby. But we can't play like that. We need to kill something, and we all have to remember we can shoot through the goddamn 3 wooden houses. Yeah. Need to take a chill breather here. Where do we want to be at? I'm at the wooden structure. Anybody can murder me. Oh! What the hell? bastard. Again, my beautiful tank is gone. But we will not despair. I got like 70, 80 backups, so yeah. We changed tactics. We shall go for that toxic wiener. Look at that. Toxic wiener. I am an American anti-server. I'm living life bloody dangerously, yeah? I might be a grasshopper. Oh my god. Oh, just tickled the bastard. Are you shooting at me? Not taller. Aye! Not machine guns! Go away! Like kryptonite to my tank. Come on, daddy. He's like, I got them. Yes. I don't have any ammo left. Oh. Aye. Fantastic tank. Fantastic. What? Awesome. Bastard. So we'll take this one. Of course we'll take that one. Gives the others a chance, huh? What is that? We need, this is armor, I think, again. And what should we do? That's a KB1, we can't even scratch that guy. So, we need to alternative plan. M44, M4, we got a change. Oh. We are as what was it? Alt E. Got okay. Where's my body? No, 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 no. I do not have my go fast shoes on here, I think. Oh my god. Let's just take this before we die. Bacon bumper. Oh, I am. He's coming for me. Yeah, definitely this guy. Bastard! Ah. That was close and fun. Talk about being a pain in the ass. That's like a grass room. Description of it. So, one more game. I think goal today is, of course, not to die and be a utter cut while playing this game. 22-18. Yeah, let's make a fast one. Yeah, plenty of ways to die here, so good chance that this is gonna be very fast. 5 minutes tops. We're gonna take that one, our new favorite tank. And we are gonna, I don't know, probably where I pointed with my mouse there. Katoba. There's a reason why there's a few, I have so little ammo. This would be, in the hands of a professional, would be very good. So, they're expecting us. There. Let us look if I can get any vantage points here. I haven't really checked. This is top here. No, not really. Should we go down that route? No. This rocky path to Lebanon. Oh my god, they ended here, man. Jesus Christ. I was not a pigeon in my last life, that's for sure. Here I am, joyriding. Somebody, Mikhail and Jagu 85. Yeah, very bad position. Because the damn inclination here, I can't. So, where's my bait? There's my bait. Come on, Mikhail. That was not fun. That was, you know, how to say, a little bit boring to murder me like that. So let's see here. Oh, there. That's not good. We need to go this way. Those guys are apparently very good. Everyone is getting murdered. You are getting murdered. Everybody is getting murdered. Yes. Including me. No. Yeah. 5 minutes. That was not even close. So if these bastards. So if I want to survive, then I need to start here. And the end. And they're sitting here at this ridge. Heartbreak ridge. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't even press that one. Come on. And there's look at that. Did you see how many that was? Yes. He really cut over Mikhail. He is one-man army. So let's go to him and get this over with. 5 minutes. They call us the 5 minutes. Why? And then have about the private penicillin here. You got to be kidding me. Yes. Look at that. Useless skills. He really thought he was. I'm sure gonna get the killing here. Okay, come on, turn. Oh, look at that tank. What's dictator? Come on, Tatova. I got the I got the downhill here. Oh, look at that. Oh, come on. It's time to quit. Yes, it is. So that was outstanding. Fun, that is, not playing flames. So so let's let's call it a night, and we'll talk to you later.